AGAS MESO Kit, mix peptides and vitamins. The combination of peptides and vitamins allows for achieving highly effective skin care. They complement each other, creating a synergistic effect. Enhanced collagen stimulation. Combining peptides and vitamins contributes to increased collagen production, which impacts skin elasticity and texture improvement. Protection and restoration. Antioxidants from vitamins help protect the skin from the environment, while peptides stimulate its restoration. The ultimate AGAS MESO Kit, treating skin nourishment, adds moisture to the skin, improves skin texture, and prevents skin aging, and helps to maintain the normality of the tissues, the immune system, and the health of the skin. Our evaluation process is based on the fresh mix method, which guarantees the highest level of effectiveness. Our assessment is based on natural elements from the Dead Sea and herbal plants, ensuring that our kit is safe, effective, and suitable for any skin type. The formula can be injected by using technologies such as a meso pen, manual massage, ultrasonic, RF, magnetic resonance, laser, and more. Maximum effectiveness in addressing issues. The combined approach enables achieving optimal results in addressing various skin concerns, including anti-aging, dull skin, pigmentation, texture, firming. For more information, contact us at info@agasconcept.com and WhatsApp 0509380759.